Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on a BMW X3. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in position 1, which powers the accessories without starting the engine. Next, look at your instrument cluster, specifically near the speedometer or tachometer. You will find a small black button. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until the time display begins to flash, indicating it is ready for adjustment. Once the hour digits start flashing, release the button. Now, each quick press of the same button will advance the hour by 1. Continue pressing until you reach the correct hour. After setting the hour, press and hold the button again for about 2 seconds. This action will switch the flashing display from the hours to the minutes, allowing you to adjust them similarly. With the minute digits flashing, use quick presses of the button to advance the minutes to the precise current time. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Once the minutes are correctly displayed, press and hold the button one final time for about 3 seconds. The time display will stop flashing, confirming that your new time setting has been saved and is now active on your BMW X3's clock. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your ignition is in the correct accessory position. Sometimes, a quick reference to your vehicle's owner's manual can provide additional specific details for your model. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you'll be a pro in no time. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.